Okay, so you guys have already been working away and I walked around and you all did the correct point mapping. You should have 2 for your horizontal stretch multiplied by x, and then you're subtracting 6 to show that you're moving left 6 spaces. Okay, and y is moving vertically down. So you have a vertical translation of 8 units, so it's y minus 8. Then you just need to note a few critical points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to move those. So you're literally plugging in the values into this point mapping, and you guys have been working away, so I'll just jump to the final graph. We'll see if you end up with the same points. So by mapping all the points using the point mapping, your new ordered pairs should be -12, -12, -10, -8, -6, 0, 0, -8, and 2, -4. Horizontally, the x values are getting wider. Okay, and if we take a look even at this point here, let's just test, have I moved 6 units to the left? Hold on. Oh, it would have moved, but then it stretched, so it won't actually make sense to look at it that way. Never mind. Okay, but vertically we can test if it's moved 8 spaces down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has. Because it was stretched horizontally, we couldn't really take the point and check if it had moved left or right. But it hadn't been stretched vertically, so if we moved 8 spaces down, it should be in line. Alright, last question at the bottom here. We have to look at the graph and just decide what kind of transformations are happening. What's the first thing you should do with this? Is the horizontal translation factored out? No, so first you want to factor it. So we get -2 square root of, factor out the 3, so whatever the stretch factor is, factor that out. And then we're left with x minus 4, all plus 5. After you do that, life's a little bit easier. Okay, what's your horizontal stretch factor about the y-axis? There's a 3 there, but what's the actual? 1/3. Good. Take the reciprocal. Okay, and then we're stretching vertically about the x-axis by what? +2. The negative tells us that we are reflecting. And we're going to be reflecting in the x-axis. Okay, the last little bit tells us that we're translating, the little bottom of the page there is cut off, but if we're talking about moving up, how many spaces up? 5, and then we're moving 4 units right. How are we feeling?